Welcome to Thompson Education. Today we're diving into substituting variables for number. First, what exactly is a variable? It's simply a symbol, usually a letter, that represents an unknown number or value. Variables help us solve problems by allowing us to represent quantities that can change. Now let's look at a simple substitution. This is where we replace a variable with a specific number. For example, if you have x plus 5 and x equals 3, you substitute 3 for x and get 3 plus 5, which is 8. When a variable is right next to a number or another variable, it implies multiplication. No need for a multiplication sign. When you're given an equation or expression with a variable, you simply plug in the given number in place of the letter. Finally, let's tackle substitution in word problems where the variables are hidden within the text. In word problems, the first step is to identify what quantities are given and what you need to find. These will become your variables and their values. Two sisters, Mia and Chloe, are saving money. Mia has $10 more than Chloe. Together they've saved a total of $100. How much money has each sister saved? Well, the first thing we have to do is we have to realize that Mia has $10 more than Chloe. So to solve it, we're going to substitute M for C plus 10, which is Chloe plus $10. Then we can make an equation which we combine the two like terms, which is C plus C, to get 2C. And then 2C plus 10 equals 100. Now to solve the equation, we will undo the plus 10 by subtracting 10 from both sides, which gives us 2C equals 90. Then we would divide both sides by 2, which will give us Chloe, who has $45, which means Mia has 55. Keep practicing substitution and you'll build a strong foundation for more advanced algebraic concepts. If you need help, contact Thompson Education at www.thompsoneducate.com.